Imagine a Bangladesh that stands at the crossroads of opportunity, looking east instead of clinging to the traditional ties of the West. Picture a nation that, like Japan a century ago, is ready to harness the energy of its young population and the unity of its language to carve out a new identity in the global arena. This is not just a dream, it's a potential reality waiting to be realized through a strategic shift, adopting a Look East policy that fosters relationships with ASEAN nations, China, and Japan. Now, let's take a moment to reflect on what this means. Bangladesh, with its rich tapestry of culture and a vibrant workforce, can draw inspiration from the success stories of its Eastern counterparts. Just think about it. Japan, a nation that rose from the ashes of war, transformed itself into a global leader in technology and innovation. How did they do it? They embraced a work ethic that was unparalleled, and they cultivated a mindset of resilience. This is precisely what Bangladesh can emulate. The Look East strategy isn't just about importing technology or practices, it's about adopting a philosophy that values hard work, discipline, and a collective identity. Let's not forget the remarkable journey of Malaysia under Dr. Mahathir Mohamad's Look East policy in the 1980s. At a time when Malaysia was grappling with modernization, Mahathir looked to Japan and South Korea, not merely as models of economic success, but as sources of inspiration for character building. He envisioned a Malaysia that could learn from the Japanese spirit of diligence and the collaborative ethos that underpinned their post-war recovery. This wasn't just about economic growth, it was about nurturing a national identity that could withstand the pressures of globalization. Now, fast forward to today. Bangladesh shares some striking similarities with Japan at that pivotal moment. While it may not possess vast natural resources, it boasts a youthful population eager to learn and innovate. The potential for growth is immense, but it requires a shift in perspective. By adopting a Look East policy, Bangladesh can build meaningful relationships with its neighbors and beyond. Imagine young Bangladeshis traveling to Japan, China, and other ASEAN countries, absorbing knowledge and skills that they can bring back home. This exchange of ideas and practices could catalyze a wave of innovation across the nation. But why stop at Japan? China, with its dynamic economy, offers lessons that could further enrich Bangladesh's journey. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's recent push to integrate Chinese insights into the Look East strategy demonstrates a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. It's about creating a mosaic of influences that can propel Bangladesh into a future filled with promise and potential. The Look East policy is not merely a diplomatic strategy, it's a pathway to growth, understanding, and talent exchange. It's about embracing the best practices from others while forging a unique identity that reflects the spirit of Bangladesh. This isn't just a theoretical exercise, it's a call to action for a nation poised to redefine its trajectory on the global stage. So, let's envision a Bangladesh that embraces this transformative journey. Let's rally behind the idea of looking east, not just for economic gains, but for a holistic development that nurtures our character and collective spirit. The future is bright, and it's time for Bangladesh to seize the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive in an interconnected world. The journey begins with a single step, and that step is to look eastward.